Hello, this is Rex Mello, and in this video I'll be showing you an app similar to my last one, which was a face landmark app, which basically used face landmark and swap them with a filter or anything. But this one is more into a practical field. It's a body landmark app, and what it does is it takes the landmarks of your body, a particular landmarks. It can be anything that you want, but for this example I will be using all landmarks of the body to demonstrate something I'll show you in the video. But basically it finds out the skeleton of your body and then performs tasks. In this example I have two examples. One is a dance comparison app that I made for a client, which is basically you compare the moves of one person with the other and tell them where one person was lacking. It's a very fun project that I worked on. And the other one is a side posture detection, basically, where you stand side by side and compare the posture of your left side versus your right side. It's used by, I think, chiropractors. I'm not really sure, but yeah, you can have a look. So without further ado, let's begin. And here you can see it's a desktop app first of all, so you can run it on your mobile devices. In this one you find the video and then find the frame where you want to start, and once you find the perfect frame you press a key and then it starts from that frame, and then you do the same thing with the other video. So in this example I'm using the same video just to show you, but for this one I'll adjust something a little slightly. Here you see it's comparing each frame with the other, and wherever it finds an anomaly it says that this frame is not correct. And yeah, that's it for this video, for this app. And the other one is this side posture detection, where you pick a left image and a right image of your body, and it tells you the angle between these joints. And if you zoom into this you can see, and if you say start, it will just tell you what's the difference between each side. And you also have the option to draw these joint points if the app for some reason fails to detect it. For example, in this case I drew this like very weird skeleton, and yeah, that's how this app works. The idea of these apps, to show these apps, is that you can see the potential of this sort of body detection. Well, it's not really just body detection, it's trying to detect your whole skeleton. So once it finds your skeleton, it can do many things, like it can also find out if you're laying down, you're standing up, what action you're performing. I remember I made an app that also had a tennis player tracking, which was tracking what the tennis player is doing. Like, there are certain poses, he's doing this pose or that pose. All these pose estimation, you can do this through this very simple concept. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, or you just want to talk about your project, you have any inquiries about that, you can reach me out through the links I provided in the description. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.